Congratulations on your painting, Sharon. How'd you go, first time painter?
Unbelievably well, as you can see. I've got the pink rose.
So good.
I've got the gorgeous tulips.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
2 paintings in 5 days.
Yeah, I can't believe it. And I've already sent a photo to one of my friends who said they can't believe it either. How could you do that in 5 days, Sharon?
Well,
but there you go. Here's the evidence.
And you did it using the blooms painting method. And how did you find the structure of the painting teaching?
I thought it was really good. I mean, I've blown out that you do this with a sponge. That's actually part of it. And we learned how to get depth and, just amazing stuff that I've never, absolutely blown away that I can do.
Awesome. Do you think you can see a bit more after doing this?
Yeah, I'm looking at the clouds thinking, when am I going to paint those? It's
I might join you.
coming to life.
I might join you. We've got a really nice view of Sydney out the window here. And we've had a spectacular clouds too.
Yeah, thank you so much.
It's been a pleasure. It's been wonderful meeting you. So much fun.
Yeah, thanks, Jackie.
And do you have any comments, Maureen?
I'm just so happy. I can't believe that it's turned out so well.
Oh, so good. Well done you. And,
Thank you.
And it'd be nice to be able to connect with a couple of the girls up towards Newcastle, which would be lovely, and paint together.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Thanks for coming. It's been awesome.
Thank you.
I'm in love with my magenta rose. Loved it since I was 8, that colour.
That colour, and you got to play with all those beautiful colours in that painting.
Layers upon layers, lots of power.
Had you painted before?
Pardon?
Had you painted before?
Not really. No, I needed stuff, information. And this one was a totally different setup, quicker. And because we moved so much here, it was kind of easier, but still we had to pick our way through it. I'm very happy.
And did you enjoy the processes that you learned?
I did.
Did you enjoy the other ladies?
They are gorgeous. They are gorgeous. Thank you.
And
Had a lovely time.
did you like the lunches?
The food was fan-bloody-tastic.
Fantastic. It's
Thanks,
so good.
Jackie. Appreciate all your
And you got to
experience.
you got to stay with some family in Sydney too.
I
That was
did.
nice.
I know, sport by the grandchildren.
Oh, so
Whoop,
good.
whoop.
It's lovely to have you, darling.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Tanya, on your blooms paintings. Well done. How are you feeling? What did you think?
Achieved a lot.
Yes.
Enjoyed the company,
Yeah.
techniques, and now a little bit more confident.
Great. So good. Well done. And it was great having you, and great to see your ability and how you put yourself up for it and did so well. Congratulations.
Thank you, Jack.
I hope that as a busy working woman you can find time to get this in your life. A bit of painting here and there. Well done. Congratulations, Sue.
Thank you, Jackie. That was amazing.
Did you like it?
So much fun. Learned so much.
So good. So this is your apricot rose, just Joey rose, with lots of beautiful colours and shadows. Lots to learn from that one. And then this one was done in a third of the time. So congratulations, because you used a different technique and put to use what you learned in the first one. And did you enjoy the week?
I so did. It was just amazing. I learned so very much. Wonderful, Jackie.
Oh, thank you. You've been an amazing student too. I love
Great
it.
experience.
Oh, great. Well, enjoy, and I hope to see some more paintings out of you soon. Awesome.
Absolutely.
This is one of my demos from my blooms painting workshop. So the ladies paint 2 paintings in 5 days, and I teach them how to blend, how to mix colours, how to see the colours, the colour recipes that you need to create all these lovely hues, how to capture the little details, and how to calm your painting down and get rid of any issues with my 7-step finessing in my blooms painting method. So I find that total beginners can come along and achieve beautiful paintings like this, and maybe you can do it too. Come and join me soon.